be like Ari. If you ain't faithful, you can't get it, girl, I'm sorry. Can I trade the Rolex watch for the Cardi? Across the corner, she gon' watch at the party.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy PT. I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the new PS5 Pro. Yesterday, I just got my hands on it. I'm excited. Also, I got the new Astro Logitech, I think that's how you say it, headphones. And I got the new Edge controller. I'm excited. Can't wait to unbox everything. Can't wait for y'all to see it. Out with the old, in with the new. Come on, y'all, let's take a look. Let's see what's inside. All right, y'all. So, went to Best Buy today. I did some shopping. I want y'all to take a look at what I got. We gonna start off with the small stuff. So first, I had to upgrade my controller. So the controller, this is the dual Edge wireless controller. Highly recommend. The price is up there, it's $200, but if you like a gamer like me, you need it. So I had to get that. Second, got the new Astro A50 Logitech headphones. I can't wait to test these out. I've been needing to upgrade my headphones. I'm excited, can't wait to open these. And last, we got the new PS5 Pro. I can't wait to open it. I upgraded this because I've been having the original PS5 since it came out, so I think it's been out for like 5 years. It's just time to upgrade. My old one, I'm gonna put it on my wall with the 85-inch. This one is gonna be my gaming console. I'm gonna put it next to the BenQ. Price for this, $700. But when the PS5 first came out, the original one that I got, I paid $1,000 for that. This the PS5 Pro. Can't wait to open it so y'all can see it. I'm excited, I ain't gonna lie. Basic cord, HDMI cord. New controller. I need this. This is the charger for the controller. They got this in here nice and tight. Take that part out. Regular PlayStation box. Y'all ready? Let's see. Behold, the new PS5 Pro. Oh, it feels lighter too. Alright, y'all. Up next, we got the dual Edge controller. Let's take a look. Look at the case. Oh my God. Case. Oh my God, this controller is fire. It's fire. This will come with the controller. Nice little matte finish to it, matte gloss finish to it. Little thumbsticks, triggers, your cord in. Yeah, just to keep your cord in from falling out. That's dope. Got the paddles that you put on the back and extra thumbsticks. Oh man, we got a charger in here. Yeah, I'm ready to go to work. All right, y'all, last on the list, we got the new Astro A50 Logitech, all white joints. They compatible for PC, mobile, PlayStation, Xbox. I really wanted the all black, but all my headphones is always black, so I decided to switch it up and it matched the new PS5 Pro. So I decided to go white this time. Scan here to start setup. Let me set these bad babies up. What else it comes with? Guys, this is the base station. I think these, if I'm not mistaken, these are wireless Bluetooth. Yeah, this is the base station. Don't you just love the sound of taking plastic off something new? Ah, it just does something to me. Okay, so what's in here? This is the power brick for the station. I'm not really sure what this is, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, I think that's all that came in the box. We got some instructions. I'm finna set my new little system up, y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all back in a few. Let me get everything together. I'm gonna show y'all probably some gameplay of me playing COD, and we gonna go from there, y'all. It's really dope, really dope. I'm gonna show y'all me with the headphones on. Feel the comfort of them. Oh man, I can't wait. I can't wait. New headset, who that? Who that? Hey. Let me set this up and y'all gonna catch me. I'll be back. Peace.